The 2014 Acura RDX has made quite an about-face from its initial form. Introduced as a compact crossover with a high-strung turbocharged four-cylinder with a taut ride, the RDX has matured into a better choice for family drivers. It's still sized manageable and has been upgraded to a V6 engine with a better selection of safety features and conveniences. Acura brought some new meaning to its crossover offerings with the second-generation RDX. With a fresh exterior, updated interior, and revamped purpose, the RDX is striking out in a more traditional direction. The smooth, strong V6 in the RDX highlights excellent handling and a really well-tuned chassis. The big V6 in the 2014 RDX gives up some of the surge and urge of the previous turbo engine, but it's much smoother, quieter, and fitting of its luxury badge. The engine's flexibility allows confident passing, and the rest of the time the automatic shifts smoothly and unobtrusively. A solid set of standard equipment and some of the best ratings in this class for safety make the 2014 RDX a secure pick. Front, side, and side curtain airbags are standard on the RDX, along with anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, daytime running lights, a backup camera, and a rollover sensor to trigger appropriate airbags.